1. This is a chart which shows how people gain water in the wild in order to survive. 2. This table depicts the changes in the number of male teachers over the period from 2003 to 2004. 3. The bar chart illustrates the number of overseas students from 5 developing countries. 4. These features led us to the conclusion that the standard of living in developing countries is much lower than that in developed ones. 5. It is worth mentioning that the proportion of A is 3 times that of B. 6. Our overall sales have been declining for 3 consecutive months. 7. Interest in these products level off and remain stagnant for the next 3 months. 8. In the 4th week, sales increased dramatically, reaching a peak of 25,000 units. 9. Motor sales in Europe have seen a significant increase since April of last year. 10. There has been a sharp decline in sales in the West region since last year. 11. Compared to last year, the sales has made great progress. 12. Our products make up around 12% of the shoe market in Taiwan. 13. The goal of my presentation is to help my colleagues understand the new computer system and how to use it for checking inventory. 14. The purpose of my presentation is to let the executive know that my proposal is important and could create a new marketing campaign for customers. 15. Our premium market is older citizens, especially seniors who have been retired for over 5 years. 16. We distinguish ourselves in the marketplace for focusing primarily on our customers' ever-changing taste buds. 17. Our school's program covers a wide array of disciplines across science, art, and humanities with up to 3,500 courses available each semester. From this pie chart, it can be observed that the proportion of people in Taiwan's age 15 and above who are married is approximately 66%, including those who are divorced. The proportion of people who are not married accounts for 34%. Additionally, the divorce rate has been increasing year by year. We can conclude that the change in social structure has led to a growing trend of people not marrying or marrying later in life. The improvement in women's education level and economic capabilities has made the considerations for maintaining marital relationships more diverse. Additionally, the average marriage age for women in Taiwan is earlier than for men, and among the population aged 15 and older, the number of people who are married or divorced is higher for women than men before middle age. Furthermore, since the average life expectancy of men is shorter than that of women, the number of widow women is significantly higher than that of men. The line graph shows how people like to watch films between 1985 and 2005. We can see that some methods of watching films become less popular, while some other new methods become very popular. We can also see that watching films on TV has always stayed popular. Firstly, both video and cinema decreased steadily over the 20-year period. Video watching dropped from nearly 80% in 1985 to around 20% in 2005. This is similar to watching films at cinema, which fell steadily by about 20% over this time. Some methods of watching films have become more popular. Watching films on the internet and DVD both rose steadily from 0%. There was a sharp rise in DVD watching. Watching films on the internet increased from 1990 to 2005 to just under 40%. The high percentage of people who watch films on TV remains stable at around 80%. 1. About 2/3 of families had 2 or 3 children. Truth. 2. Half of all families had 2 children. True. 3. The smallest proportion is families with 5 or more children. False. 4. About 1/3 of families had either 1 or no children, or 4 children or more. False. 5. Around 1/4 of families had 3 children. Truth. 6. People with no children were the smallest group. False.